Huh. Yep. No. What is going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips. I'm going to be showing you how to format a USB flash drive. I did do a video on this a while ago, but decided to redo it because it was an older video and I've gotten a lot of views on it. And I'm actually surprised a lot of people don't know how to format one, but I'm not, at the same time, I'm not really all that surprised. But so what you want to do is you want to get the flash drive you want to format, and you're just going to go ahead and plug it into your MacBook or macOS machine, like an iMac, one of those trash can Macs, whatever you prefer. So I have this video files because this is a video I was going to do, but I scrapped it because it didn't come out all that well. So usually what I do is I hold down the command key on my keyboard and click the space bar. It's going to pop up Spotlight Search. All you have to do is go to Disk Utility. Sometimes I guess that'll pop up, but you just type in Disk Utility. You can type it halfway and go ahead and click Enter. What you want to do is you want to find the flash drive. Do not format your APS volume, or that just, trust me, that won't be good. It probably won't even let you. Go ahead and click Erase on it. Go ahead and name it whatever you want. Now it's locked in MS-DOS FAT for various reasons, but I'm actually going to use this as my Mac flash drive just for Mac files because I actually lost my older flash drive. So I'm going to go ahead and click macOS Extended Journaled. So I'm just going to do this as backup USB. Then you're going to go ahead and click Erase. It's going to unmount it and then remount it after it's finished the process. You can just go ahead and click Show Details if you want to see what's going on. Now this video is probably going to be 10 times better quality than my last video. That's for sure. So you can go ahead and click Done once it's done. And then you can, as you can see, it is formatted, and the size of the flash drive is 16 gigs, which is, you know, that's the right size. It is a SanDisk. So yeah, that's how you format a USB flash drive. If you guys enjoy these small tips that I can do, then like the video if you liked it. Dislike if you thought it sucked. Let me know what you guys want to see for future videos. I may or may not release a video on the MacBook I'm actually recording on. Still debating on it. Just let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below. Peace out.